I'm wide awake.
Long star number 196, Caroline Tate, riding Zeus.
I'm wide awake. I'm wide awake. Yeah, I was in the dark. I was falling hard with an open heart. I'm wide awake. I didn't read the stars so well. I'm wide awake, and now it's clear to me that everything you see ain't always what it seems. I'm wide awake. Yeah, I was dreaming for so long. I wish I knew then what I know now. Wouldn't dive in, wouldn't bow down. Gravity hurts, you made it so sweet. Till I woke up on the concrete, falling from cloud nine, crashing from the high. I'm letting go tonight. Yeah, I'm falling from cloud nine. I'm wide awake, not losing any sleep. I picked up every piece and landed on my feet. I'm wide awake, need nothing to complete myself. No, I'm wide awake. Yeah, I am born again, out of the lion's den. I don't have to pretend, and it's too late. The story's over now, the end. I wish I knew then what I know now. Wouldn't dive in, wouldn't bow down. Gravity hurts, you made it so sweet. Till I woke up on the concrete, falling from cloud nine, crashing from the high. I'm letting go.
Red Crow, Tiny Arts, getting a clear ride for a time of 1 minute and 6 seconds. Moved up to Caroline, clear ride now at 196, Caroline Tate, riding Zeus. Currently in first place in Senior Training Division A. Then we'll have the presentations after Caroline's ride right here at the stadium.
This is how I show my love. I'm made it in my mind because I'm blaming on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel does. I'm blaming on my own surprise. Blaming on my ADD, baby. Maybe I should cry for help. Maybe I should kill myself. Blame it on my ADD, baby. Maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm a